the car is being put together by Gelos team, and it will be the first time that we can experience, that I can experience how is it to simply sit inside this vehicle, how is it to drive, and simply checks all the errors and things which we will need, and mainly guys improve for the next test. But today is the day. For the first time I will be able to experience the Supra. We are in the airfield racetrack type of the place where we will be checking out the car. As you can hear it in the background, it's already warming up, and I have to tell you, it looks exciting. There it is, guys. Just to make it quickly for test. Today we don't have all the crucial parts in the car, in the suspension, but it doesn't matter. I need to jump into the car and see actually how it is to sit inside this beast. Look at that. I have to check this out. We are so quick with the working with the on this car with the progress, and we simply run out of seats. So I need to thank a lot my friend Mr. James for sharing the seats. So actually the James was the first person who was inside this vehicle, but now I'm selling some really stupid things because I'm simply excited. There we are, guys. There we are. We got a clutch. It's my first time feeling the clutch in a Supra in general. The brakes are really soft because they are from E90 BMW, from the diesel one, because we are still waiting for hours. We got a really nice dash. Whoa, we are sitting low. I'm sitting really low. Man, handbrake is nice. It's nice and solid in case of a feeling. Let's put the steering wheel on and see. Where are we? We don't have an oil temperature plugged in. It's not the best, and we don't have a oil sensor plugged in, but I never like when this message actually pops, so I will... Hello! My god. Exciting times ahead. I didn't even stall it! What a success! I just get a message that the brakes are really weak. The hood isn't attached properly. I need to be really careful, but yeah, the brakes doesn't work at all. Steering feels nice, very similar to S15 for now. Stones are flying everywhere because the wheels are so wide. They are really reaching away from the door, so they are everywhere. Simply all the chips taken by the tire is simply now hitting the car. So it's one huge stone chip noise. So guys, I'm back, and just first adjustments in the car. We'll be moving the seats a bit forward because as much as with the steering wheel there's no problem with adjustments, but once I press the clutch fully, my leg is fully stretched in fully straight position, so it's bad. We will move the whole seat and then it should be fine, but we will check if the gear lever will be also in correct position, but we will see after we change it. So. No dobra. up, guys? First thoughts, first feelings. Actually, I've been sideways for the first time in Supra. I tried to stay focused, simply that's why I wasn't telling you anything. But yeah, I don't feel where are the edges, to be honest with you so far, but the car behaves quite well. Definitely the suspension isn't set up as we would love to, but it's not bad. It's not far away from what we would like to have. And man, let's do some proper, maybe not full throttle runs, but some faster progress. Let's try it. So guys, practice is done. The first test, the first shakedown is behind us. We already have a full list of what to do, but as you can see, Supra is already on the trailer because now we know what to do, what to improve, and in a few days we'll meet here again after those few improvements, and fingers crossed Supra will be behaving even better than today. I have to say, as for the first shakedown, it was really good. Car was totally operable. There was nothing that will stop us from testing it. So now we just need to improve a few things and we'll go from there. So guys, thank you for joining and see you very soon in the next one. Take care.